Come on out this Saturday, May 9th from 10 to 3 for Frying Pan Farm Park's Spring Farm Days. There's something for everybody in the family, all kinds of fun activities. You're going to get up close and personal with little farm animals and our babies. We're going to have sheep shearing. There'll be farm equipment demonstrations and history activities. There's so much to do. You'll be able to spend the whole day here at Frying Pan Park. You can take a wagon ride, you can milk the cow, milk the goat. Just enjoy a beautiful day out on the farm and make memories with your family. Now, Frying Pan Park's been here for a long time, but this event's been going on for over a decade. Admission is $7 if you get your tickets in advance, $8 at the door, and you can get more information at our website. Hope to see you down on the farm.